back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, we have multiple jobs that are paying on the low end $1,000 a week, and it just goes up from there. So $1,000 plus a week. I think I have 5 different jobs to share with you. At least 3 of them pay $1,000 or more per week. We have big name companies like Motorola, Dropbox, the Home Depot. And most of these jobs are going to require no college degree whatsoever, or they will take some years of experience over a college degree. So hopefully have a little bit of something for everyone in this video. But for those of you who are new to my channel or new to watching my videos, welcome. Thank you for watching. A little bit about how this channel works. I make daily videos sharing the best work from home jobs that are hiring right now in the United States. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on, or check my channel page daily because I do post Monday through Friday daily videos. And there's a link in the YouTube description box below this video. That link will go to a page that lists all of these jobs in the order in which I shared them, a little summary about them, and a big apply now button. You hit that apply now button and you can read all about the company, all about the job, and put that application in if you're interested in putting applications in for these jobs. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply just search the internet and search job boards, trying to find the best scam-free jobs that are hiring right now and sharing them with you. So I don't have any information outside of the job postings. But of course, if you enjoy anything that I share, you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But without wasting any more time, first up we have the company TrueLink Financial. Now, TrueLink Financial only has 19 reviews from current and past employees who have worked for them. So always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 19 reviews, though, they have a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a card operations associate. Now, one thing to quickly note about this webpage is when you first open it up, it's going to say join our team. Just keep scrolling down and you'll come to the card operations associate part. This is going to be remote for the United States. All these positions are going to be remote for the United States only. This is going to be a full-time work from home job. But they are looking for somebody to help support their customers through great operation management. This means that you are going to manage and execute recurring operational processes related to their customers' card accounts. So you might help do fund transfers or help order new cards to be mailed out to customers. ACH return handling, so those like direct deposit or direct debit from their account. Fraud prevention, investigations, account closings, and more. So you're going to process weekday card funding on the Pacific Standard Time Zone. So you'll review a customer account details, daily card funding requests, and accurately submit all the funding files in the system. You'll also kind of have to look at reporting and use different computer systems and tools to monitor transactions and investigate any flagged activity, making sure it's not fraudulent. Now, please note, this is a full-time position. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday in the Pacific Standard Time Zone, ending your day around 5:30 p.m. with occasional overtime needed to 7 p.m. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. And they don't require any kind of college degree, just 2 years of experience in the financial services operations field. Someone who can be organized, dependable, detail-oriented, someone who has great communication skills and is comfortable using computer systems like Microsoft Office or Google Workplace. Now, they don't list the pay on the main job page. You do have to hit apply for this job button, but when you hit the apply for this job button on the actual application page that comes up, if you scroll down, it'll say indicate that you've read the details by checking yes below. It says the annual salary range is $50,000 to $55,000 a year, and it's a work from home remote role. Anybody in the United States can apply, so you have to agree to that to actually put your application in. but that is the pay range, $50,000 to $55,000. So if you can land in the middle there, $52,000 would be $1,000 a week. Next up, moving right along, we have Motorola Solutions. Now, Motorola is a big company. They have 4,500 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a fee administrator, US remote. So they're basically looking for somebody to be involved in requesting, approving, and rejecting agent fee requests, reviewing agent fee denial appeals, and communicating with escalated information for their agents. Now, this is because they are operating not only just phones and things like that, but they have a MV Recovery, which is a skip tracing, forwarding, and impound division of Motorola Solutions. They're in all kinds of different industries. And so for these impound and skip tracing agents, they are collecting their fees when they complete their job. And so you are monitoring and helping with those fees, just approving, rejecting them, all the things. So you're going to investigate and answer email inquiries from internal and external customers in a timely manner. You might have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls when needed, prioritizing your workloads and just making sure that you take care of all the fee requests, approvals, denials, appeals, things like that as needed. Now, it does say candidates can be located anywhere in the U.S., so they don't have any state restrictions. Pay for this position is $18 to $20 an hour. And of course, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has 2 years of administrative related experience. It does say they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off as well. Back to higher paying positions. Next up, we have Guidehouse. They have 1,800 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an accounts payable specialist. Again, any location in the United States. But as an accounts payable specialist, you're going to process accounts payable invoices and do data entry within their system and assist with auditing support when needed. So you're going to execute required accounting controls around their accounts payable process, providing status and updates as needed. So it's going to require a lot of data entry and a lot of working with Excel spreadsheets and reports. Now, they do prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree and 2 years of some kind of professional experience. But if you have at least 6 years of professional experience, they will take that over a degree. You do have to have great communication skills, both verbally and in writing, and be detail oriented. And of course, you've got to know how to use those Microsoft Office systems, specifically Excel. Pay for this position is anywhere from $57,000 a year all the way up to $85,400 a year. They also offer a standard benefit package. All right, next up we have the Home Depot coming in at 50,000 reviews, overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a contact center supervisor, OCC, for their messaging department. Now, the work location on this is remote virtual, and you can work from any state. It doesn't look like they have any state restrictions. One thing about this website, you do have to click over. They have overview, job description, and benefits. You do have to click over to job description to get to the main information. But they are looking for somebody to supervise or lead a customer service or contact center team. So you're going to do supervisory things like making sure the customer interactions and the customer service team is doing the work of a quality manner. You're going to build and retain relationships with all the employees. You're going to be managing these employees, doing a lot of HR things like personnel issues. You're going to include like termination, performance appraisal reviews, things like that. You're going to help train and do professional development of the customer service team. So you yourself is not going to be on the phone as a customer service person. You are basically the leader over the customer service team, giving them guidance and just performing all the HR things. So if you have great customer service skills, you've been building those customer service skills for a while, it would be great to move up into a leadership role where you can coach and mentor other people. Now, it does say this position generally has about 6 different people that you're going to be over, but they don't require any kind of college degree. You just have to be 18 years or older and be able to work in the United States. Now, they do have a few preferred qualifications like knowing how to use Microsoft Office, knowing how to use presentation software like that Microsoft PowerPoint, and if you know how to use HRIS software, 1 year of previous leadership experience. If you've ever been a team lead or something like that, I would definitely try to go for this one. Now, unfortunately, Home Depot did not list the pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do have a whole benefits section. They do offer a standard benefit package. And last but not least, we have the company Dropbox. They have 1,500 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an administrative business partner remote in the US. Now, in yesterday's video, I kind of briefly talked about this, but any kind of like executive administrative support, administrative assistants, executive assistants, those types of things that keep bigger executives like the CEOs and CFOs organized, helping keep their meeting notes and helping keep their calendars up, scheduling things for these positions typically pay very well. So they are looking for somebody to help coordinate calls, meetings, and events. So you're going to have to schedule them, make sure everybody's available for the calls. So you're going to do heavy calendar management with an ever-changing, fast-paced environment. You may schedule a meeting on Monday morning and then something come up that's more important. You may have to keep rearranging the calendar, but you are going to be managing calendars for people basically on this job. You're going to plan team offsites, meetings, dinners, events, things like that. So if Dropbox wants to do an event at a place where their team members get together, you're going to have to schedule the catering and different things like that, finding catering. So you'll be picking up the phone and making a lot of outbound phone calls, basically scheduling things. You'll also prepare reports for their leadership and set up any travel arrangements or accommodations. So again, scheduling things like hotels, flights, things like that. So if you are great at organization and managing things like calendars, you're basically going to be just scheduling things, whether it's calendars, meetings, travel. This job is all about scheduling. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 4 years of some kind of administrative support type role. Somebody has experience with managing calendars, somebody who has experience of planning things, someone who can basically multitask, juggle multiple projects at the same time. And of course, you've got to have great communication skills and be able to use all of those different computer systems like Google Calendar, Microsoft Office, Outlook Calendar, PowerPoint, Excel, all the things. But of course, they pay based on location. The United States is broken down to 3 zones. Zone 1 and 2 are your bigger cities where cost of living is higher. Zone 3, though, is for all other U.S. locations. Zone 3 pays $89,800 a year on the low end, all the way up to $121,400 on the high end. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you're looking for something specific, please leave it down in the comments below. I never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.